You guys must be thinking why I'm not wearing any makeup today to record this video. So you will get answer in this video. Without wasting our time, let's get started. So guys, today's video is again a review video about Smitten app and how to get free samples from Smitten app. Also, I'm going to give you demo of those products that I have already ordered from. So basically, Smitten is an e-commerce website and it is Indian website. Yeah, you heard right. It is Indian website. Smitten is a website or platform, you can say, where you can buy beauty, makeup, health, hygiene related products, kids products, perfume, handbags. So much categories over there you can find out. Once you open the app, you will find two sections, trials and shop, and below that you will find different categories. Now I'm showing you makeup category and you can find exclusive brands over there. So it's like a unisex website, we can say. I don't know unisex website what exists or not, but yeah, men and women both can purchase products from this website Smitten. So quickly I'm going to show you what I got recently from Smitten app. Okay, this is exclusive pouch I got from Smitten. Products that I have got from Smitten are in this exclusive pouch and I'm going to show you demo, but before that I'm going to tell you how to get free samples from this Smitten app. The very first thing is you have to download this app from Play Store. I'll mention the link in the description below. So it is totally free on Play Store. Then you have to sign up, and once you sign up you will get 6 trial points, right? Under Smitten benefits you will find trial points, wallet money and referral cashback. If you have any query regarding trial points, then you can just check out that section trial points and you will get to know each and everything about it. When you newly sign up the app, you will get 6 trial points, and after that under trial section you can just filter out and you can choose your favorite category and you will get different products, their details and how much worth that product price is, and also trial point is mentioned over there. Depending upon trial points you will get a number of products. Like if your trial point is 1 for one product, then in total you will get 6 products at the end. There is one more thing, yeah, you can use my reference code over here. If you use this reference code, then we both get rewarded, like some extra trial points will get, or special gifts from Smitten app, like that. Like my referral code, you will also get your referral code under this refer and earn, and you can share with your friends and family. Guys, you need minimum 500 rupees as a referral cashback balance to redeem it. Let me spill the truth actually. So there is nothing in this world you will get totally free of cost. What is exactly the logic behind this free sample and this Smitten app, I'm going to tell you in this video. That is why I'm shooting this video, so you'll get idea exactly how. Till the date I have purchased products from Smitten 5 times, and this is my current order history. You can see total payable is 199, but here is the twist. I got rupees 168 cashback very immediately in my wallet. Again, here is a second twist in the story. To redeem that 168 rupees, you have to shop from Smitten app, and that too like rupees 75 you can redeem at the first time. As I shop, I get trial points. It's like a cycle, and in this way you will get free samples. Now you guys can see this is my very recent order and I got valid discount 263. So guys, this is how I receive Smitten box, and this is the packaging. So I have received total 5 products. These are the products. This is Requil Fruta face wash. Then this is Berry lip balm from Nature's Co. Then this is Iba BB cream. perfect look. These are the ingredients. Then this is lip balm, lip liner, Coat Me Bonjour Paris. So this is in purple shade, purple jewel. And the last product is this Smitten exclusive pouch. Leather is quite good. It's leather pouch actually, and it's quite good. Okay, so let's just start our demo. So out of 5, 1 product is this exclusive pouch I got, and 4 products are into this pouch. So these are 4 products. Ow. So 3 and 4, and this thing is 5. So total 5 products I got this time. So let's just start our demo with this BB cream. It's Eba Cosmetics Perfect Look BB cream, and it is mentioned that it has 24 karat gold, matches all skin tone, and SPF is 24. Okay, I'm going to quickly show you by applying this. I have dark circles. So it smells okay, and coverage is not this much coverage it has. So it's a BB cream, so it will not give you good coverage, I know that. I hope this cream gives me okay coverage. Next product is this berry lip balm. Look how cute it is, very small. And it is from Nature's Co. My mom loved. I liked it, but not that much. It smells like a berry. It has a smoothing aroma of berry. Okay, fine. I didn't like that much smell of berry, but okay, that's fine. Let's just check texture. Yeah, it's quite good. Good moisture it will provide you. So it is a lip pencil, but it has mentioned that it's an extra soft for lip and eye pencil, so you can use on your eyes also. It is in purple color because I love purple, and its weight is 1.9 grams. It's long lasting for 12 hours, and other details are mentioned over here. Finally open हो गई. Okay. So it's So this is my final look using Smith and Order products except this Sugar Mini Highlighter, because I love this highlighter and I thought of adding it onto my today's makeup video, not demo video. So yeah, I love this look. I like this look. What do you think, guys? I guess it is more looking dark pink color makeup, whatever, but I like this look. It's time to use final product. It's Requil Fruit Face Wash, Fruit AHA Face Wash. I don't know how to pronounce AHA face wash, I guess. Okay, so let's just remove makeup using this face wash. Actually, in front of camera, I took a little amount of face wash in my hand, and after that I took water and applied on my face. Maybe that's why it was not that much foamy. Okay, so it has quite good aroma. It has removed my all makeup from my face. But it was a light makeup, so next time I'll use on my heavy makeup and then I will check and I will give you advice. But yeah, fine, we can use this, I guess. I liked it. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys, and I'll come back with another useful video for you. Wait for my video, and you guys already know Born Mommy misses you already. So guys, keep missing me, keep loving me, and if you like this, then do like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And good day.